Welcome to Module 7. This module is on management decision making. Management makes many decisions, but what's most important is that they need to make better informed decisions. To make better informed decision requires coming up with reliable cost estimates. That's the challenge. Some of the decisions that we will learn about, or not learn about, but learn how to go about answering are questions such as what price to charge. In order to know what price to charge, we want to make sure that the price we charge is greater than the cost. Likewise, which products or services should we focus on? Which ones contribute most to profits? Which products or services should we maybe eliminate? And it goes beyond just products or services. Maybe there are departments that we need to eliminate because they're not cost effective. Another decision that requires cost estimates is whether you should make the product in-house or buy the product from an outsider. In order to make that decision, again, we need to know what is it costing us to make the product versus the cost to buy the product from someone outside the firm. Along the same lines, they refer to this as outsourcing. We do a lot of outsourcing in this U.S. economy, but the question would be, should we outsource the service, compare that cost to what it would cost if we provided the service in-house? So those are the decisions that we will be looking at and finding the ways that will help us to best determine the answer. It's a real challenge because it's not easy to come up with these costs because a lot of these costs are difficult to trace. It's hard to know exactly, which product those costs should be allocated to, or which department, or which product line. In all of these problems that we face throughout this module, what we'll be doing is we'll be looking at some cost object. That is basically the item, whether it be a product, a service, or a department. This cost object is what we are going to try to estimate the cost of so that we can then make any one of these number of decisions. So that's what we'll be focusing on in this module.